Looking for the best electric hedge trimmer but not sure which one to pick? Stay tuned. Today we're ranking the top 5 models from weakest to best, so you can find the perfect fit for your yard. Starting us off at number 5 is the BLACK+DECKER BHT150. It's the most lightweight and compact option in our lineup, and it's designed for light-duty trimming. If you've got a small yard or a few hedges that need touching up, this one's a solid, no-frills choice that won't weigh you down. What makes the BHT150 appealing is its simplicity and ease of use. It's incredibly light, just under 4 pounds, so you won't get fatigued even after extended trimming. The 17-inch blade is ideal for small hedges and shrubs, and with a 3.2 amp motor, it's got just enough power to keep your garden neat without overkill. And it has a built-in cord retention system, which means fewer interruptions during your yard work. Now the downside is that it's limited in power and reach. Compared to the others on this list, the smaller motor and blade length mean it struggles with thicker branches or larger hedges. So if you've got big trimming jobs in mind, this one might leave you wanting more. But if you're a casual gardener or just want something easy to grab and go, the BHT150 is worth a look. And hey, if you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, I've dropped the best prices for all of them in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. Next up, coming in at number 4, we've got the BLACK+DECKER BHT350FF. It's a step up in both size and power from the BHT150, making it better suited for medium-sized yards and more demanding trimming tasks. This trimmer features a longer 22-inch blade and a beefier 4.0 amp motor, which means it can cut through thicker branches up to 3/4 inch and reach across wider hedges with ease. It also comes with a full wraparound handle, giving you a better grip and control from different angles. This is especially handy when you're working on awkward spots. Where it falls a bit short is convenience. It lacks a continuous run button, so you'll have to keep your finger on the trigger the whole time, which might be annoying on bigger jobs. It's also still a corded model, which can limit your movement unless you've got a long extension cord. Still, if you're dealing with more substantial hedges but don't need commercial level power, this is a great middle ground pick. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more product roundups just like this one. At number 3, we've got the GARCARE GHT08. This one packs a serious punch with a 4.8 amp motor and a 24-inch blade, making it a real contender for bigger jobs and dense shrubs. This trimmer is built to power through tougher tasks with less vibration thanks to its dual-action laser-cut blades. What sets it apart is the anti-blocking system, which helps avoid jams and keeps you trimming without constant stops. Plus, it comes with a 10-meter cable, giving you more range out of the box than most corded models. That said, it's on the heavier side and might be a bit much for smaller users or lighter tasks. The corded design also means you're still tethered, and while the longer cable helps, it doesn't replace the freedom of cordless options. If you're looking for a powerful hedge trimmer for regular heavy-duty use but don't need the reach of a pole model, this one delivers solid performance without jumping up to the top-tier price points. Sliding into second place is the CRAFTSMAN CME HTS824. This one blends raw cutting power with smart design features that make tough jobs feel a whole lot easier. Right away, the standout here is the built-in power saw feature, which lets you cut branches up to 1.5 inches thick. That's more than double what most hedge trimmers can handle. Pair that with a 24-inch blade and a rotating handle, and you've got a tool that's both powerful and versatile. It's ideal for shaping up large hedges or tackling older, thicker growth. Now, the trade-off is its weight. At over 13 pounds, it's the heaviest trimmer on this list. That can wear you out quickly if you're working overhead or trimming for long periods. And like all corded tools, you're still working within the limits of your extension cord. Still, if you want maximum cutting capacity without stepping into commercial gear, this is a beast of a trimmer. It's built to handle the big stuff, and it comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Taking the crown at number 1 is the GARCARE GPHT07, our top pick for the most versatile hedge trimmer in this lineup. This is the one to get if you're tired of dragging out a ladder just to shape the tops of your hedges. The GPHT07 is a pole trimmer with a telescoping shaft that extends up to almost 9 feet, letting you trim high hedges while keeping your feet safely on the ground. It's got a 4.8 amp motor, a 20-inch blade, and a cutting head that adjusts to different angles, so you can get clean cuts from just about any position. The included shoulder strap is a nice touch for managing its weight during long sessions. Of course, with all that reach and hardware, it's a bit heavier and bulkier to maneuver. But for the sheer versatility it offers, especially for tall hedges and awkward angles, it's a trade-off most folks will gladly accept. If you want one trimmer that can handle it all, from low shrubs to towering hedges, the GP-HT07 is hard to beat. Alright, that wraps up our ranking of the best electric hedge trimmers out there. Remember, you can check out all of these products at the best available prices using the links in the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more gear reviews and buying guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy trimming!